Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is masala puri. First, to prepare masala, you have to soak the white peas overnight. Then next day boil them in a pressure cooker till 5 whistles. Wait till the pressure is gone. Peas are cooked well and have become soft. Now let's prepare the masala. For that, add 2 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon jeera. Once they splutter, add 2 bay leaves and 3 cloves. Saute for few seconds and then add 1 onion cut into pieces. Saute for few seconds and then add 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon ginger garlic paste and salt as per taste. Mix well and cook till the raw smell of ginger garlic and turmeric goes away. Now add 1 tomato cut into pieces. Mix well and add 1 tablespoon chili powder. Cook for 1 minute till tomatoes become soft and then add the boiled peas. Mix well and add salt if you need according to your taste. Add little water. You can adjust the consistency. Then cover it and cook for 2 minutes. Masala is ready. Let's prepare masala puri. I have taken ready-made puris here. Crush the puris and place them inside a plate. Now add the prepared peas masala. Add the homemade prepared tamarind sauce or tamarind chutney and add homemade prepared green chutney. If you want recipes for these two, then let me know in the comment section. Add few cut onions on top. Then add the cut tomatoes. You can decorate your masala puri however you want. Add half tablespoon chaat masala. And at last I am adding few save. Your tasty masala puri is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, do not forget to subscribe. Bye.